Tasi!
Hello again, little learners. Are you ready for something exciting? It's the extra special letter X. Say it with me. X, X. Here's uppercase X. X marks the spot. And here's lowercase x. X is for xylophone, bright and colorful tunes. X marks the spot, a treasure on the map. X-ray, showing bones inside. Let's trace the letter X in the air. Ready? Down across and up across. That makes an X.
Let's quite! X marks the treasure, shiny and bright. So music, colors take flight. X-ray shows what's deep inside. X is exciting, say it with pride. X marks the treasure.
Excellent work, friends! You found the exciting letter X. Now wave your arms like a big X, and we'll see you next time.